Welcome to Buzen. G'day, I'm Wombat and I hike in Kyushu, Japan. And this morning we're in Buzen city to climb Mount Kubote. 5:30 AM early start. That's how I like it. Mount Kubote is called the 500 monk mountain. Around 500 Shugendo monks lived in the mountain. Pretty sure that means we go this way. Kubinashi jizo. These headless guys are pretty creepy. He looks happy. This is Gokokuji Temple. These here are the demon's stone steps, and there's an old folk tale about these steps. Let me tell you. This is a tale from long, long ago from Mount Kubote in Buzen city. In a quiet mountain village where Gongen-sama was staying, demons from Mount Kubote appeared and started stealing rice and beans. Women and children were going missing. The villagers lived in fear. The troubled villagers went to see Gongen-sama to ask for his help. Gongen-sama, we need your help. Demons are coming to our village and eating our rice and beans. And my child is gone. The villagers, one after the other, told Gongen-sama of their troubles. Gongen-sama looked at the state of the villagers and thought of a plan. Right away, he called all the demons in the mountain. Demons, I want to build a shrine for me to live in on the top of Mount Kubote, but this mountain is so steep. There's something you need to do for me. I need you to build 1,000 stone steps leading to the top. What's more, I want it completed before the roosters crow at dawn. The demons looked at each other and shrugged their shoulders uninterested. Gongen-sama spoke once more. If you can build the 1,000 stone steps, you may do anything you like in the village, just as you have been doing. However, if just one step of the 1,000 is not built in time, you must leave here and never return. Gongen-sama thought, there's no way they can do it in just one night. The demons, not wanting to leave the mountain, said, Gongen-sama, we'll build your stone steps before the morning. The demons worked hard through the night, carrying the stones into place on the steep mountain. Working together, they built step after step after step. Just before the dawn, Gongen-sama peeked out from the tree he was hiding behind. What a surprise! The demons had almost finished the 1,000 steps. In a panic, he cupped his hands to his mouth and crowed, Cock-a-doodle-doo! The village roosters heard his cry and joined in. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh no, it's morning, the demons cried. In a panic, they fled the mountain as fast as their legs would carry them. With the demons gone, the villagers thanked Gongen-sama and lived happily ever after. Even now, when you climb Mount Kubote from the middle shrine to the top shrine, there are 850 steps, not 1,000. 844, 845, 846, 847. Just kidding, I haven't been counting this whole time, but I've arrived. This is Kunitama Shrine, and this is the top of Mount Kubote. Let's have a look. Mount Kubote, 782 meters. Alright. It's not really much of a view, just trees all around, and the shrine of course. So I'm just gonna have a couple of snacks and then head back down another way. Okay, we're gonna take this path to the right of the shrine. Forest Therapy Road. Need therapy? We're making a left here back down to the car park, but if you continue along here, you can go to Mount Inugatake, which is another great mountain. That's number one. Be careful of falling rocks. This is Fugen Waterfall. This is number two. This is number three. Number four. One more to go. Number five. We've completed the five, so it's time to go back down. Thanks for joining me on my hike today. There's more information about this trail in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next hike.